Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Avon business. And that means that you have the right mindset. Because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm saved the number one golden nugget and bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact three-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboards for sales in another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified leads to you of people who actually buy. You can ultimately start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? Here's what you're going to get. You're going to learn my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. So let's get started. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and simply creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. This tool is going to allow you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. Once you do this, you create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description with 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place a link at the top of this description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save this thumbnail as that primary keyword. Guys, by doing this, you're going to go after multiple keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for that is going to create traffic, targeted traffic to what you have to offer. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody said, but you want to create updated content going after the same keywords that person went after. You want to create 3 to 5 minute content and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. This is going to get you ranking for multiple keywords that your target audience is searching, and this will lead to your content and eventually your replicated site or your capture page. For Facebook, you want to find exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find exactly where the like-minded network marketers are hanging out in your niche. Once you do that, you can reach out to them by saying, hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. So I saw the comments that you have been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I think it would be great if we could connect. Would love to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to this person in this way, where you're being honest and genuine, you're going to be able to make some really strong connections as you build your audience. And as you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience by having blog posts, engaging pictures, and fill in the blanks where you say, I love my blank. Just getting more people engaged, commenting, liking, and sharing your post. And what that's going to do is going to allow for the next time that you create a post for it to get more engagement. You want to connect with people in groups like Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki groups. Those are always good go-to groups. 5 to 10 connections each day, and be consistent. People will get to know you from your comments and from how you interact with people. You don't want to blast your business in here. It's not about closing prospects, it's about making connections. Keep that in mind. You want to be posting curiosity and not resistance. So things that will get people to want to learn more. That's imagery, pictures, lifestyle posts, pictures of you at the beach, hanging out with family, pictures of food, random questions, that kind of thing. Okay, and gives people the opportunity to go to your blog. You don't want to post resistance, so you don't want to blast your company logo and do those kind of things. Those are going to definitely get people to start resisting your page, and you're going to find your engagement declines quickly if you're posting too much about your business. A good example of a curiosity post that can also have something to do with your business, though, is here. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, and green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. What this might do is get people to reach out to you, say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. In this way, you're able to make connections without being pushy. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.